boys and girls, happy Thursday. Today for our last math video, we are going to be working on day 4 of our math and our at-home learning packets. And our focus today is partners of 6. This worksheet is going to be really similar to the partner of 5 worksheet that you guys did on Monday. So I'm just going to give you a few examples so you know what to do at home. So I'm going to start with the first row that you see that has the triangles. So I'm going to show you the first one in the first row that you have to do by yourself. Making sure that I have 6 triangles since we're finding partners of 6. Okay, so let me double check and count to see that I have 6 triangles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So if you look at the first problem that you have to do on your worksheet, you'll notice that just the first triangle is shaded in. So that's what I'm going to do up here for you. And you don't have to do that on your worksheet because it's already done for you. Okay, so remember, just like when we were finding partners of 5, when we find partners of 6, we're just going to first count the triangles that are shaded. And that's going to be our first number in the equation. So let's count how many are shaded. 1. So that's our first number in our equation. 1, and we want to do our plus sign because we know that we're adding to get to 6. So we have 1. Now we're going to count the triangles that are not shaded to find the second number in the equation. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So there's 5 triangles that are not shaded. So that's our second number in the equation. So now we know that our partners of 6 are 1 and 5. 1 plus 5 equals 6. So that's our first example, looking at the row with the triangles. Now we're going to go to the second row of the problems that you have to complete. And now our shapes are diamonds. So now we're going to practice an example using the diamonds to find partners of 6. So I'm going to go to the second row and the second problem. And I'll count when I'm all done to make sure that I have 6 diamonds since we're making partners of 6. Okay, so let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And if you look at the second problem of diamonds, there are 2 diamonds that are shaded in. So I'm going to shade in 2 diamonds for you. Okay, now your job is to count how many are shaded. We know we have 1, 2, and that's our first number in the equation. We'll add our plus sign because we know we're adding to get to partners of 6. Now our job is to count how many are not shaded again. 1, 2, 3, 4. So now we know that 4 are not shaded, so 4 is our second number in the equation. Now we know that our partners of 6 are 2 and 4. 2 plus 4 equals 6. Here's your next example. Let's do one more. Looking at the third row, and now our shapes are squares. So now we're using squares to find partners of 6. I'm going to do the third problem in the third row using squares. And they have 3 squares shaded in on the third problem. So I'm going to shade in 3 squares. Remember, you don't have to do this part because it's already done for you. Your job is just to count how many shapes are shaded and how many are not shaded to find your partners of 6. So I'm going to finish shading in my last square and then we can count together to see how many are shaded. All right, counting with me. 1, 2, 3. We have 3 squares that are shaded. So 3 is our first number in our equation. And we add our plus sign because we know we're adding to get to 6. Now we count how many are not shaded. 1, 2, 3. So 3 is our second number in the equation. And now we know that our partners of 6 here are 3 and 3. 3 plus 3 equals 6. And that's the last example I'm going to do for you today. Hopefully that helps you finish your partners of 6 worksheets. And this is our last math worksheet in our at-home learning packets. I hope you guys enjoyed our YouTube videos, and I look forward to seeing you soon. Bye.